Hey guys, it's Orlando and I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be detailing on a Toyota. So let me turn the camera around, guys, take y'all out there to see how nasty this vehicle is and show you how we work this magic. Y'all come on, let's go to the shop. Let's go. Okay guys, this is what we working on today. A Toyota. I don't know what kind it is, but let's take you on the inside and let y'all see what's going on. Wow. Turn my light on, guys, so y'all can, yeah. So this is gonna get a full detail, guys. So we are gonna be pulling the seats and everything out of here. So, oh wow. Come let these seats up for me, guys, so I can get this back shot. Wow, that is crazy. I can't wait for you guys to see the transformation of this vehicle. Oh yeah, we're finna really show out on this one, guys. Walk around the back side so y'all can see the passenger side. Oh wow. Lots and lots of pet hair, guys. So yeah. This is the finished product, guys. Y'all know what that inside look like, so there's no need for me to tell y'all. Good job, fellas. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's all. Hold on one second. Get your impression, what you think about it.
Yeah. I mean, before then it had like what, ground up goldfish and candy and smelled like sweat and glue and mold.
Tell me what it smelled like in there now.
Oh, now it's actually steam clean. So one just smells like not just like air freshener that just like covers a bad smell. But
right.
It smells real clean. Real clean. No dust, no stains. Even the console is clean.
Oh yes, sir. Man. Cup holders.
I mean, this has not been cleaned in years. Like I'm talking
on that left cup holder, remember it wouldn't close for you?
Yeah.
It had chain stuck that was blocking you from actually closing.
All of that.
Yes, sir. And I got a full video. You better check that out on YouTube.
Oh man, you guys are awesome. This is the cleanest it's been since the day we bought it.
Well, I appreciate you guys for choosing MaxAuto. Yeah. Well, guys, another satisfied customer. She liked her vehicle. Yeah, so we took so long on this one, guys. It had so much filth in it, so we had to go ahead and throw a free wash in for them. So another satisfied customer. Okay, guys, we're finally done with the Toyota. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment on this channel. Until next time, peace.